Welcome, everyone, to a deep dive into mastering ChatGPT. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a data scientist, or an ML engineer, understanding how to truly leverage large language models like ChatGPT is becoming an essential skill. It's more than just asking questions. It's about crafting interactions that unlock its full potential. By the end of this lesson, you'll be equipped with actionable strategies to get more precise, creative, and powerful outputs from your AI interactions. First, we'll explore how defining a clear persona can dramatically improve response quality. Then, we'll tackle the art of iterative prompt refinement, learning to sculpt our queries for optimal results. Next, we'll uncover techniques for chaining prompts to conquer complex, multi-step tasks. Our goal is to move beyond basic interactions and transform your relationship with AI into a truly collaborative one, making you a more effective and efficient user. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a powerful technique: persona-based prompting. Think of it like this. When you ask a human expert for advice, you tailor your request based on their specific role and knowledge, right? You wouldn't ask a chef for legal advice. The same principle applies to ChatGPT. By explicitly telling the AI to act as a specific persona, say a senior back-end engineer or a marketing strategist, you provide it with crucial context. This isn't just about tone. It guides the AI's internal knowledge retrieval and reasoning process, influencing the style, depth, and perspective of its response. For instance, asking ChatGPT to act as a lead backend engineer and explain the pros and cons of microservices versus monoliths for a new SaaS startup will yield a far more nuanced and relevant answer than a generic query. It helps the model filter its vast knowledge base through the lens of that specialized role, leading to outputs that are not only accurate, but also appropriately framed for your specific needs. This is about making the AI's output fit for purpose from the very first interaction. Next, let's talk about iterative prompt refinement. This is perhaps the most fundamental skill for anyone serious about working with AI. Think of it like a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble. You don't get the perfect statue in one go. You make small adjustments, observe the results, and then refine your next cut. Similarly, with ChatGPT, your first prompt is rarely your best. Instead of trying to cram everything into one massive query, approach it as a dialogue. Submit an initial prompt, analyze the response, and then provide follow-up instructions or clarifications. For example, if you ask for marketing slogans and the output is too generic, your next prompt could be, make them more edgy and target Gen Z. This feedback loop allows you to steer the AI closer to your desired outcome, progressively refining its understanding and output. It's about being agile in your prompting, understanding that each interaction builds upon the last, leading to increasingly precise and tailored results. This iterative process is where true mastery lies. Now, let's unlock the power of chaining prompts to handle truly complex tasks. Imagine you need ChatGPT to help you write a detailed technical proposal. Trying to get it all done in one go is like trying to build an entire house with a single swing of a hammer. It's inefficient and unlikely to yield quality results. Instead, break down the complex task into a series of smaller, manageable subtasks. Each subtask then becomes a separate prompt in your conversation. For instance, first you might ask ChatGPT to outline the key sections of a technical proposal for a new AI-driven anomaly detection system. Once you have the outline, your next prompt could be, elaborate on the system architecture section, focusing on scalability and fault tolerance. You're essentially guiding the AI through a multi-stage workflow, using the output from one prompt as the input or context for the next. This ensures focus, reduces the cognitive load on the model for each individual step, and significantly improves the quality and coherence of the final, comprehensive output. It's how you build robust solutions, one well-defined step at a time. We've covered some powerful techniques today to elevate your ChatGPT interactions. By now, you should feel confident in your ability to define and apply persona-based prompting, giving the AI the right context for superior responses. We also explored iterative prompt refinement, understanding that dialogue and refinement are key to sculpting the perfect output. And finally, you've learned to construct chained prompts, enabling you to tackle even the most complex tasks by breaking them into manageable steps. These strategies move you beyond simple question and answer sessions, transforming ChatGPT into a truly versatile and intelligent assistant. The true mastery of AI interaction comes from continuous experimentation and understanding its nuances. Remember, the AI is a tool, and your skill in wielding it determines its effectiveness. Now, as a final self-assessment, think of a recent complex problem you faced at work or in a project. How would you apply these three techniques, persona, iterative refinement, and chaining, to solve it more effectively with ChatGPT?